So under the Vaccine Injury Compensation Program, there are certain vaccines that are covered, and one of them is the MMR vaccine, which vaccinates against measles, mumps, and rubella. Now, this is an intramuscular vaccine, so it's going to be administered most of the time in your right or left deltoid. And most of the time, all you're going to experience is some injection site soreness that goes away after a couple of days. However, sometimes, on rare occasions, you may experience more prolonged shoulder pain, and that shoulder pain may turn into reduced range of motion and decreased strength. Sometimes you'll have some swelling or redness in that area. If you experience these types of symptoms, you may be experiencing what we call a SIRVA injury, which is a shoulder injury related to vaccine administration. Now, the telltale sign of a SIRVA injury is the onset of your symptoms. So if your symptoms began within 48 hours of receiving the MMR vaccine, it's very likely that you have a SIRVA injury, as long as we can show that your diagnosis is something involving the shoulder joint. So tendinitis, bursitis, rotator cuff injury, frozen shoulder, things like that. Now, the medical literature tells us that what happens is the injection is administered either in the wrong spot or at the wrong angle, and that's what's causing that inflammation of your shoulder joint. Now, if that happens and you're experiencing these symptoms over days, weeks, months, it's important that you go to your doctor to get treatment. I'm not a doctor, so I can't give medical advice, but what I know, based on the medical literature and what I've seen in this program is that doctors will prescribe various types of treatment, including anti-inflammatories, physical therapy, cortisone shot injections, and in rare cases, even surgery to repair the inflammation done in the joint. If you think you may have experienced a SIRVA injury due to the MMR vaccine, I'd invite you to call us for a free consultation at 312-578-9501. If you're curious about the VICP, I'd invite you to watch the next video to learn more about how it works and some of the compensation that may be available.